One of the most common questions we get from new and long-term home insurance customers is, how do I lower my home insurance premium? There are many steps you can take to reduce risk and be proactive with choosing your coverages that can ultimately help you lower your home insurance premium. In today's video, we're going to be going over 9 ways that you can potentially use to reduce your home insurance premium. So let's get started. First is you can look to increase your deductible. Briefly, the deductible is the portion of your covered loss that you will be responsible for paying before your insurance will pick up the rest. Typically, insurance is there to cover those big losses and not maintenance or small claims. So if you increase your deductible to say $2,500 or even $5,000, you can usually have significant savings on your home insurance premium. We suggest choosing a deductible that fits your financial scenario. One that won't put you in an uncomfortable position should you have to pay, but one where your home insurance premium fits your budget and is not overwhelming. 2. Eliminate unnecessary coverages. If you don't have a garage, collectibles, or any jewelry, why bother to insure them? Many home insurance policies these days will include some of these things even if you don't need coverage for them. That's why at Square One, we allow you to customize your policy completely, so you're not paying for unnecessary coverages for things you don't even own. The third tip, don't over-insure your belongings. Complete a household inventory checklist. We've included one in the description below. This will help you make sure you've taken inventory of all your items so you really can insure it to the correct level. Many home insurance policies will insist that you insure your personal property based on an arbitrary amount of your home's value. This can often lead to you over-insuring your personal property and paying for coverage that you don't really need. In instances like this, you should look for a provider that can provide you customized coverage for your property so you're not over-insuring your belongings. 4. Don't over-insure your home. Make sure you insure your home to its rebuild value, not what you paid for it. What you paid was market value for your house and land. And in some places, depending on when and where you bought your home, this could be significantly higher than the actual cost to rebuild, meaning that you're paying an unnecessary amount in insurance premium to rebuild to the market value when you only need to rebuild to the rebuild value of your home. 5. Consider future potential premium increases before making a claim. Insurance has always been there to help you with those big losses that you can't handle alone. For this reason, when you make multiple small claims, you could lose a claims-free discount, and even surcharges may be applied to your premium, ultimately increasing enough to outweigh the event of the small claim. For instance, if you had a $500 deductible and a covered loss to your $600 TV, is it worth making that claim for the $100? If you have a claims-free discount, you could lose that, which in the long run may cost more than that $100 claim. 6. Keep your home in good shape. If you replace that rotting deck or fix those dangerous stairs, you're going to be preventing the risk that someone could be injured on your property, ultimately helping you reduce the risk that you'll ever have to pay a deductible or lose any claims-free discounts that you have with your home insurance policy. Tip 7. Replace plastic plumbing hoses with braided steel hoses. Water loss is by far the most significant category of insurance claims for insurance companies and providers. The rubber and plastic hoses attached to these appliances quickly wear out, dry, bulge, and then burst. One burst hose can cause thousands of dollars in water damage in just a few minutes. And if you're away from your home for a couple days or the afternoon, one burst hose in a few hours can cause tens of thousands of dollars in damage. Not to mention the disruption to your lifestyle while everything is sorted out. So make sure you look at your appliances and see if you can replace them with the braille steel hosing. This will ultimately save your claims-free discount, as you won't need to make a water loss claim from the plastic plumbing hoses. Tip 8. Update your home. Is your roof nearing its life expectancy? Is the hot water tank over 10 years old or showing signs of any rust or wear? Does the furnace work properly, or does it continually run all the time? You want to keep an eye on these things and keep them updated as well. Your insurance provider may offer discounts for these updates to your home, and you also reduce your chance of a potential claim. Tip 9. Find a home insurance provider that offers free monthly billing. In many instances, if you'd like to pay for your home insurance premium on a monthly basis, many home insurance providers will charge you financing fees and usually interest. However, at Square One, we're different. You can pay your home insurance premium on a monthly basis without any financing fees or interest. So there you have it, 9 tips on how you can potentially save money on your home insurance premium. So if you'd like to get a quote that you can completely customize, you can head over to squareoneinsurance.com.